Hey you guys, how are you? I hope you're doing amazing. Thank you so much for tuning into Floating Grip. I wanted to show you guys how to mount your floating grip wall mount or your console in your floating grip wall mount in a tutorial where I explain what to do. That might be easier for some of you because in the videos where I don't say anything, and it takes about 20 seconds to place your console, that might be very difficult for someone who haven't tried this before. So therefore I'm going to explain you exactly what to do when mounting your floating grip wall mount. So you get this package, and inside the package you receive a manual. This manual is written in 9 different languages, so your language should be in there, otherwise I hope you understand English. In here, let's show you, in here you got this manual, and this one is very simple. You just place it against the wall, and then it shows you exactly where to place these 3 mounting parts. And the top of this paper represents the top of your console, meaning if you want your console to be leveled with your TV or so, you just place it against the TV or in the line with the TV, and then you know exactly where it's going to be. Very smart, and I recommend that you do that for sure. Also, you receive a small package with, in this case for PlayStation 4 Pro, 3 screws and 3 wall plugs and small bits. And also you receive this plastic bag with the 3 mounting parts inside and the ropes. It's very important that if you have a PS4 Pro, you order the wall mount for PS4 Pro, because each wall mount only fits the console represented on the package. So this one is for PS4 Pro. Yeah, it says down there. All right. Anyway, so you mount the 3 mounting parts. It doesn't matter what kind of wall you have. Any wall will be fine. And then you got the 2 ropes. I recommend that you start placing the longer one before the shorter one. In case you think that your console is tilting a bit too much from the wall later, and you can change that. Just place the shorter one before the longer one. Alright, so this is our new design. It doesn't make any difference to the wall mount other than it's looking better and our logo is on, and that's it. If you don't want it to be visible, you just place it down in here, then no one will see it. Personally, I like people to see it, so I take this one down here, and then it will be visible. Okay, so let's place the longer one. You take the rope below and up like this, alright? And then you take the shorter one and do the same below and up. Alright, and then you have your console. And in the PS4 Pro you got these 2, and you should place the rope in the last one, in the one closest to the wall. Alright, so place the cord, or the rope, sorry, and then I press or place the console against the wall. It's all the way to the wall. That will make it way easier to place the shorter rope afterwards. Alright, so now we take the shorter one up here. Again, place the console against the wall, and it's very easy, like this. Alright, so that's it. That's very simple if you do it like that. Some people like to hold out the console from the wall. That's very difficult then to place the rope up here afterwards. And again, if you think it's tilting too much, just place the shorter one before the longer one when you place the ropes. However, it is very important that you have space behind the console into the wall, because that's ventilation, and you don't want your console to get too hot. That's not good. So our wall mount allows your console 360 degree of ventilation, so it's important that you have that space, and it's still keeping the console safe and secure on the wall. Alright, that's it. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, good job, and thank you so much for buying your floating grip wall mount for your console. Thank you.